Looking for wisdom that speaks to your heart? Say hello to Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe. Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe, brings ancient wisdom to today's world. Each week he dives into the Noam Elimelech, unraveling profound insights from the Parsha. Whether you're deeply versed in Torah study or just beginning your journey, Rabbi Kolakowski's teachings are accessible and inspiring. His unique approach not only sheds light on the text but also offers practical guidance for modern life. So, why not join us and discover the timeless wisdom of the Noam Elimelech? With Rabbi Kolakowski, every Parsha becomes a path to deeper understanding and personal growth. Tune in and let the Koblenzer Rebbe illuminate your week with Torah truths that resonate. Subscribe now to stay inspired and spiritually connected.
Welcome to our channel. Every Wednesday, Rabbi Kolakowski shares a teaching from the Holy Rebbe, Rebbe Elimelech of Lezhensk. In this week's teaching on Parshas Tetzaveh, the Rebbe Elimelech shares a teaching on Exodus chapter 27 and makes a homily from Psalm chapter 40 on how it is possible for our prayers and the prayers of the saints to change the world. You might be surprised by the answer found in this profound Hasidic teaching. Let's watch.
Welcome everyone. When this is released, God willing, we plan to release this on Wednesday, even though I'm recording this on Monday. And we try every Wednesday to learn something from the Hasidic Rebbe from Lezhensk. We are in the book of Exodus, chapter 27, Parshas Tetzaveh. V'ata Tetzaveh b'nei Israel, and you shall command the children of Israel. Nir lefarish. It seems like we can explain like this. We can include this, tie it together with the verse that King David said, You did abundant things, O Lord, my God, thy wonders and thy thoughts upon us. Nearly, it seems to be the Hine L'chara, for behold, the Hine L'chara yeshal havan heyach efsher shet tzadik yifol niflois l'rfois achoyle latir sorm. It's a big question we have. How is it that a saint is able to perform wondrous, miraculous deeds? Heal the sick, get prisoners released from prison, hostages released, things like that. What's all this about? How is it that the tzaddikim are able to accomplish this? Obviously, God is the one who does it all, but still, what is the tzaddik doing? What is going on here? We know it says in the book of Ecclesiastes, there's nothing new under the sun. So how can the saint accomplish something that's basically a novelty? Not only that, perhaps an even greater miracle. How is it that the tzaddikim, that the saints are able to produce novel ideas in the secrets of Torah, all the Hasidic literature? And yet it's clear to the believing Jew that these words are words of Torah. But there's so much novelty in them. How is that possible? God gave the Torah already. The Torah's not in heaven. How does this come to the saint? So the concept is like this. With God, there is light. And behold, it is written, and God said, let there be light. And there was light. Yesh loimer. So you might explain it. You might say like this. A parish. What is the meaning of when it says, let there be light, and there was light? It's loimer means to say, that God created and there brought into existence a new light there in its place. From there, the light shines down below. But the root of that light remains above in heaven. And so too, each and everything God creates the root for this thing above in heaven. So everything that happens below is because human beings, we're down here, and we're shaking those roots. And when we're shaking what's down here, it causes the root above to shake, and that brings down this thing below. That's what it says, Adam Adayin Ein La'av Ba'aretz, right? That the plants didn't grow until Adam came to work the land. And the rabbis say, what was the work that Adam did? He prayed. That without prayer, there's nothing in this world without prayer. At least in the realm of what we understand of the human realm. This is what it means. Many things you did, God. Meaning you, God, you accomplished many great things above in heaven, with all the sources and all the roots. Atu Hashem, thou, O Lord, we find that the root is above in heaven, and therefore thy wonders, that we are producing, meaning God does everything, but He put this power into human hands to create the novelty of wonders, meaning if there's healing, then there's prosperity and all kinds of good things. And your thoughts, the Hainu Sardis of Torah, meaning the secrets of the Torah, that there's novel ideas produced among the Jewish people, among the saints, among the tzaddikim. Eleinu, it's on us. We're able to do everything. That's the power that God gave into human hands. And this is what the verse says. That's why God said to Moses, and you should command. What is this commandment? It's a terminology of connection, which is the outpouring of blessing and compassion and mercy. As the verse says, I will command my blessing. From our Kadosh Baruch Hu, when God said in you, when it says and you, that word and, the vav, adds to the concept, meaning you can also command brachas v'shmos l'Yisrael, blessing and outpouring upon the Israelites, because God already commanded it. As all of the blessings are already in heaven, at their root, upstairs in heaven, and all we have to do is shake those branches, and those blessings will come down, and we'll be healed and happy and pious and good and successful and prosperous, all kinds of good things, and free and grow in Torah. Tetzaveh, but you have to command it. We got to shake those roots up high by doing mitzvahs and praying and learning Torah. And you should take for yourself pure olive oil, remez, the hint of shemen zayis. That's a tremendous outpouring that's very pure and clean. What does it mean you take the olive oil for you? It should say for them. Why does it say for you in the singular instead of for them? Why is it the second person singular and not the third person plural? Because the saint, the tzaddik, when he sees that the Jewish people, the Israelites, are being influenced and bringing down the blessings, then he has so much pleasure from this. And that pleasure is a personal pleasure because he sees that his fellow Jews are prosperous and successful and healthy and happy. It becomes a personal pleasure. It's easy to understand. We should all be worthy of all that pleasure to see all of our friends and family. Everybody should be prosperous and happy and healthy and have long lives and free. And all the captives should be set free in the schus of this Torah. All the hostages should be set free. All the sick people should have refuah shlema. All the poor people should have prosperity, and all the rich people should have more prosperity. Everything, and the economy should get better, and everyone should be successful. And God should bless us all. We just have to shake those. We just have to shake those roots. The prosperity is already there in heaven, but we have to manifest it here on earth, and we do that with our devotion to God, with Torah and Yerushalayim, learning Torah, and being pious, and doing mitzvahs, and having proper beliefs, and expressing those beliefs. The 13 animamins, the Rebbe Koritzer said that it's a school for Parnasa to recite the animamins, our credo. Why? The 13 dogmas of Judaism. Because when we express our faith, then God blesses us. There's a story in the book of Kings that there was a general who the prophet Elisha told him that the economy is going to get better, when it was a very horrible economy and things were horrific. It was a horrific famine and people were suffering and brought to levels of depravity because of their suffering that you cannot imagine. And the prophet Elisha told him, he said, tomorrow the economy is going to get better, at this time noon tomorrow. And the soldier, the general, he said, even if God opens up windows in heaven, could such a thing be? So then the prophet told him, you will see it, but you won't eat from it. And that general was trampled and killed at the stampede when people were so excited that there was a miracle that happened, that the Aramean soldiers ran away, and so all of their possessions were left over, and so there was food and gold and clothing and everything, and people were able to take. There was a miracle from God. But because of this man's lack of faith, he was shown it, he was not able to enjoy it. That teaches us that if that's the case in the negative, so then the positive, if we do have faith, God will bless us with all kinds of good things. Baruch Hashem, I've seen a lot of success this year personally, and I wish success in all of you. I know a lot of people helped me out this year, and anyway, what I could do to repay, let me know, because mamish, it was, we were in a very difficult situation, but we had faith, and we had friends, and we had community, and Hashem sent very good messengers who will be blessed in this merit. And so God, and anybody who gave us to our GoFundMe, let me know if you want a copy of one of my books or something, whatever we could do to help out or to show our appreciation. But God should bless you all with goodness and prosperity and happiness and health, and should be able to be helped to be Marbitz Torah. The same thing. We can shake the roots, and this channel can grow and have 1 million subscribers. We have a goal this year to reach 100,000 subscribers, and God willing, all the hishtadlus that we do is just shaking the roots. But God can give it. He can make this channel big and prosperous, and then we can give more tzedakah, but also be Marbitz Torah more, and give more good things to the Klal Yisrael. It's not about me. It's about being Marba Koit Shemayim, to bring more glory and increase the glory of heaven here on earth, that people should see the blessings that God bestows to those who have faith. And it's not to say that faith is a guarantee of those blessings, but nonetheless, the true blessings only come with faith. Anybody who is not faithful, and if they have blessings, those are not true blessings. So, thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We love you all. We'll see you later. And keep the faith. And we got to love God and fear Him. Be aware of Him. Know He's God. Know there's nothing else but Him. And be careful not to be distracted. We love you all. We'll see you later. All right.
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.